guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do another nail drill haul and review. I shouldn't say haul, this is the one I got. So DELANIE Nails was kind enough to send this to me for me to test out their e-file. So they sell on Amazon, and I will make sure to link it below. Okay. So you have your little booklet. Ooh, I got a rose gold one, it looks like, or gold. Rose gold. So pretty standard. Ooh, okay. So this is looking a lot like my Kupa, because my Kupa also has this, but it is metal. So pretty sturdy. I probably would be really careful with this because of the fact that this is plastic and not metal. Your standard bits you usually get with e-files. I like that the handpiece is packaged separately because if you know anything about e-files, this piece is literally the most delicate piece of your machine. All right, this has a nice weight to it. This reminds me a lot of my KN35, I think it was. Okay. So I'm actually going to be taking off my nails to do my Christmas set. So I have these on this one, but I'm going to do a cat eye on my dominant hand. So we're gonna be using this on my non-dominant hand, or let me rephrase, my dominant hand. So you plug it in, reverse, forward. I usually leave it in forward. And then you have your numbers, which is RPM. So we're currently at 9,000 RPMs, 12, 13, 35, which is the highest. This is so quiet, and there is literally no jumping. I'm kind of blown away with that. Oh, and there's a battery symbol. I'm not sure. Yeah, battery symbol. I have my Kupa right here. Again, no vibration. So this is a $400 e-file. I want to say this is probably not $400, but I will check at the end for you. This is for your handpiece to store like this, or you do have a place on the drill. To be honest, I like to have my drill in a little stand, and that's like with the Kupa, I do have a stand, but if not, it'll be flat. So this is how I will store it. I probably won't put it on that handpiece holder. Here's your charger, pretty standard, and I bet you can use this while it's charging as well. Most of them allow for that. If not, I would be very surprised. Okay, so I have my dust extractor here, and I have a medium bit in here. And again, so I actually fixed this one the other day, and now I'm going to take off the rest of these. Bring down the brightness. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Literally worked exactly how I would expect an e-file to work, so that's awesome. I'm going to finish removing my nails, but so far so good. So overall, I think this is an awesome drill. I went ahead and finished my nails. You saw me remove the gel that was on my nails, and so I finished that up, and this handled like a champ. 100% recommend this drill. Now, the only thing I want to say is A, be careful, because a drill you need to be careful. But B is I use gel. So I use a hard gel, meaning actually had a pink one on. This is a file off only, but it is softer than acrylic. So this drill worked amazing with the gel. And by the way, the color I have on my nails is Buzz from Madame Glam. I can put the video on that. So definitely check them out. I will link them below. And obsessed. And this handpiece is really good. The locking mechanism is really good. Like you can, do you hear that? I'll stop talking. So really like that. Also, get yourself an air duster, clean out these guys and up in here, and you will have an e-file that will last you a very long time. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.